Right folks, there's a wee touristy train, a wee sightseeing tour train going. Not many people on it. A couple and a family. Oh. Serious for the off there. There you go folks, just watch your kids around these trains. Thankfully I don't have any kids, I don't have that problem. Get to enjoy my holiday without any stress. Just what a stress Jacqueline gives me, you know. So kill me if she heard me saying that. So we're just at the marina. Well, I think the whole thing's just one big marina. Oh, I thought that was like a wee island. Oh, I think it was a wee island. There's a wee kind of bridge to go over it. That looks like a place to see, but I've not really got the time to keep to go over. We're only here for a few hours. Then we've got to go back to the hotel. We're going to have something to eat. Then we're going to go exploring Venia. I don't think there's much to explore on it, but we'll see what's there. Like Jacqueline's coughing, she knows there's nothing there, isn't there? There's nothing. There's a pub, that's all you need. That's all you need. There's plenty of pubs here, but it's just a nice way to end our holiday, just a wee walk about. Just a shame that Metro wasn't the last kind of step. If you've not seen it, check out my Metro videos where I show you the Queen Studio experience. I did 2 videos of that, one with me and one with Jacqueline. Jacqueline was kind of good. I had to rush to go do it. I couldn't wait to go and do it. See the statue as well. So if you watch my other videos for Montreux, you'll find it. Hope you enjoyed the videos as much as I did going and actually seeing it. Definitely a place to go if you're a Queen fan. I loved it. It was just a big experience. It's the closest you're going to get to being in the studio with them, because I sound cheesy, but in spirit, Freddie's there, you know. And knowing that my favourite songs, some of my favourite songs, certainly my favourite song, he was in that wee room kind of struggling. It's brilliant effort what he did. It really is, it's got to be said. But aye, it's been good, it really is. I'm sad it's almost over, but we'll be back for the Freddie Mercury birthday celebrations, and maybe not this September, but next September. By the time I publish this, it's going to be about October or something, so I don't know. We'll see. I would like to, but I've got other commitments. There's more dogs. Oh, sorry, I thought I had it. Sorry, a wee bit dry. I thought I had it turned around there. No, I keep saying it, but the scenery it's just lovely and stunning. Well, that's 3 places I've been on Lake Geneva. Or we've been, I should say. Talking to this, half the time I'm talking, just me talking to you, and occasionally I'll hand over for Jacqueline, she's just there. But compared to Lake Garda, where I've probably been to more places, in fact I've been to more places on Lake Garda than I have Lake Geneva. I've only been to 3 places in Lake Geneva, and I have to say, apart from the food, I can't really compare the food, because I've been on a bit of a diet, so I've not been indulging as much as I would normally. Whereas in Lake Garda, I indulged too much in kind of balloon. But I've lost some of that weight and I'm getting there. Jackley's just calling me, so I'm just going to end the video there. So please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.